Hello darlings, welcome to today's video. So today I'm sharing my full shower routine step by step, because nothing beats starting a day when you're feeling refreshed. And like everyone knows, taking a shower is more than just a routine, because personally for me it's a moment to refresh, reset and take care of myself. But before heading into the bathroom, I like to start putting my laundry in the machine, because there's nothing better than stepping out of the shower to fresh, like clean clothes, everything is neat. And once like everything is clean, like even the beddings, everything, PJs, you're just coming from a good shower and going to neat things. That feels very, very, very nice. So I'll start by showing you like a tiny tour of how my bathroom looks like. And this is how it looks like, from the sink, the bathroom, and the harpic. If your bathroom doesn't have harpic, I'm coming for you, because tell me what you use to clean your washroom. Okay, then the hand wash soap, and that's the place now for taking the shower. It has like the glass doors, which make it very easy for me to even clean. Then that's my toothbrush, these are my toiletries, the shampoos, conditioner, toothpaste, everything, I put it there. Then as we go from like there, we have the soaps, brush, the scrubbers and everything is just on its place. And I love the like tiny organization for myself. So like an hour prior to my showering time is when I put my mask on my face, because I wanted to like get the work done before I really get into my shower. Because I really prioritize my skincare, because I have a very delicate acne prone skin that if I don't take care of it, and if I neglect even if it's like for a single second, I'm just gonna suffer the consequences. So I have to really like get it done. So the mask I had is the Qasil organic powder. It's a Qasil mug. It's very natural, like no additives, no nothing. It's just the plant by itself. So I'm gonna go and like I've already scrubbed it off. So right now I'm just gonna go with the water and remove the remaining residue from the mask, which feels like my face is already very smooth right now, because when I'm rubbing it now with the water in my palms, it's very smooth, because the mask has already like hydrated my skin, scrubbed. Because the castor powder, it's a 3-in-1 mask. It's a mask that does the cleansing and it does the scrubbing, and now you leave it as a mask. It's 3-in-1 and it really does the job. So after I'm done like cleansing, tell me if I'm the only one who cleans the sink after every use. I don't know. So now I'll go in with my bar soap, and I'm using the Dove beauty cream bar. It's very smooth for my face, and it really also like penetrates into the pores and cleanses everything that's in there. But now for this one, I'm not just gonna rub it with my palms, because again I need to like make sure I get the good cleanse that I'm looking for. And for this second cleanse, I'm gonna go in with this tiny silicone brush. It's my cleansing brush that I use. It's more of like a scrub, but in form of a brush. Okay, it's very tender, it's not harsh on my face. So like I just use it to scrub, and it really gets the job done, because it helps me scrub more than my palms could do, and it gets off all the dirt from my face. Because we never know how much like sweat, or rather any other dirt from makeup or anything else, the products we use, or the environment, the weather, there's always a lot of buildup on our face. And it's highly recommended not to just use your bare hands to like wash your face, because it won't like really get in there and remove all the dirt. You need to like implement something, and afterwards you wash your brush very well and store it back. best part of my routine now is my dental care. Yeah, I'm using the Pepsodent toothpaste. It does work for me, and my electric toothbrush. It has several modes if you want to like clean, and it has a timer. It has a 2-minute timer that lets you know when to stop and when to start like brushing your teeth. And yeah, it just like it minimizes the work and effort that you apply whenever you're brushing your teeth, because you can see I'm not like rubbing that much. I'm just making movements to where the brush needs to go, and it really gets the job done for me. The vibration just cleanses all the plaque from my teeth, and afterwards you just get sparkling teeth, you know. Yeah, so like the brush, I got it online in case you want to buy it. I don't know, depending on your location, you can just buy it online. For me, I got it online, and I believe you can get it in any mall, any shop, any pharmacy. You can always get it there. It's quite affordable, and I'd highly recommend the electric toothbrush because it just gets the job done for me. So now after like 2 minutes, it now switches off by itself. It's automatic, and then if you want to switch it on again, you can. It's not that it's not like you can't brush more than that, but the dentist recommends you to brush for only 2 minutes. Remember to always cover your toothbrush once you're done. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna use this tongue scraper in my water flosser to like scrape the toothpaste that's left on my tongue. I don't know if it's only me that brushes their teeth and then you feel like you still have that taste in your mouth. So I go in with my tongue scraper and the water flosser and then like rinse it out, and it really does the job, and I'll not have that aftertaste in my mouth after doing this. It really like cleanses everything and makes sure that no taste is left in my tongue, and I feel like I'm just refreshed, very clean, very fresh, and I love that for me. Let me know in the comment section if you guys clean the sink after you brush your teeth, because it's always a good practice to clean after yourself, and you're gonna appreciate these in a way. So now let's get into the shower. First thing I do after I get into the shower is control the water temperature and make sure it's the perfect for me, and then I'll go first and grab my gloves. Ever since I started using like these gloves to take a shower, I've never gone back. I've never like had dead skin on my skin, because this just rubs everything off in one wash, and it's just the best. So I'm gonna wet that. I'm gonna wet the gloves and then take my Dove soap and then wet my body and then lather the soap. Like the Dove soap lathers really fast, and also I feel like the gloves make it easier for you to lather the soap. It's really fun and effective, honestly. After all that cleansing, now the skin is now ready for a nice scrub, and for my scrub I use the coffee sea salt bath scrub. It's a very nice scrub that is not so harsh on your skin. It just gets the job done, and it doesn't stain. Actually, if you right now you're seeing it's brown on my hands, but once I'm done you'll see the gloves will be back to their normal color, because yeah, it's such a nice scrub with a very nice smell as well. It really goes and it clears the hyperpigmentation, because yeah, I have hyperpigmentation in different parts of my body, and it's from my hormones. Yeah, and so it really helps to even out the pigmentation and clear and gives me an even skin tone. It's really a good one, because once it goes like in every part, you see like when you're rinsing it, it now forms. So nice. Lastly, I go in with the shower gel to finalize the shower, and this one is just so nice to lock in that moisture, because again, The shower gel leaves you very refreshed and smooth, and it's a good one. And you can see how my skin looks like after the shower. Look at my hand, how it's glowing. I feel so fresh from head to toe, you guys. I feel so fresh. Now let's get dressed. Yeah, I feel very fresh, you guys, but we have to moisturize first. This is the Nivea cocoa butter that I'm using for my body, the Nivea deodorant, then locking in the moisture with the argan oil. For my face, I use the glycolic acid as a toner, then I'll go in with the serum and later on moisturize, because we need to lock in that moisture. Yeah, then that's my perfume and my body splash, because a girl gotta smell good. Okay, so that was the final look. That's the outfit of the day. I feel so cute. I feel very clean, very fresh, because hey, it was just like, it's therapeutic for me to like feel like I'm a clean girl, you know, and I'm clean from inside and outside. It's a flex for me to look good, look clean, and feel fresh and clean from the inside as well. A little dance for the outfit of the day, because I feel so cute, you guys. All this sauce just for me. Aish. Now we are heading out. Yeah, I need to buy some stuff, so I need to move a bit. Yeah, that's the full outfit of the day, and that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching until this far. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate your support and the time that you take to watch my videos. So I'll see you on my next one. Make sure you subscribe if you've not. Leave me a thumbs up and comment on the video and let me know what content you want to see next. I'll see you on my next one.